Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, create new null object. Right mouse, new and null object. And for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon. Clickation tool and select these all of them layers, link to null object. And select background, lock layer, select null, press S, open scale and change scale like this. And let's enable title action save and move to center like this. Select this shape 1. This is document layer, let's change name doc. And select this layer open, go to solo, let's zoom in here and go to anchor point. Let's move the anchor point up. And clickation tool, let's click this checkbox first, read the layer. You can click toggle switch modes. And let's unsolo layer. And right now let's press R. We can animate X rotation for open mail like this. Let's for now hide open layer and select these text layers, text 4, text 3, 2, 1. Let's link to doc layer. Select doc layer and go to anchor point, move the anchor point down. Clickation tool and let's press S, open scale, change scale 0, create scale keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press hold shift, press page down in keyboard and change 120. Go to 10 keyframes, change 95. Again go to 10 keyframes, change 105. Again 10 keyframes, change 100. And make keyframes easy or click F9. Let's see. Okay, so let's select work area. Let's select 8 seconds or 10 seconds and right mouse, let's trim come to work area. Go to first second and hold shift, press R, open rotation, create rotation keyframe, change rotation -5 and go to 10 keyframes, change 2.5. Again 10 keyframes, change -1.5. Again 10 keyframes, 0.5 and next keyframe 0. And make it easy. Let's see. Okay, so select rotation keyframes, hold Alt, move to left. Okay, not bad. And right now let's go to first second and select this open layer. Let's enable and press R. Let's create X rotation and go to next keyframe, chain rotation -180 and select open layer. Let's move to behind of doc layer. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Select these keyframes for open layer and make it easy. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So in this time select this mail. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate and select mail 2, change name mask and move to up to text 4 and go to solo. Let's go to pen tool and make mask like this. Okay, that's good. So clickation tool and unsolo. Right now we can move doc layer inside the mail layer like this. So let's see. Nice, very good. So in this time, select these keyframes and move to right. And select this null layer and press P. Let's move to down and create new passing keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. Let's move to up and go to 10 keyframes, move to down, and for smooth animation follow these keyframes. Okay, and go to 10 keyframes, move to up like this. Again 10 keyframe, moved it down, and next keyframe moved up. And select keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Okay. Select these animate keyframes for open. Let's move to right again. And select this null. Let's hold shift, press S, open scale, and go to first second. Let's click size scale icon and change scale like this. And create scale keyframe and go to here, change this scale like this. Okay, and next keyframe, change again. And little bit change again like this. And let's keyframe 71 and 71. Select keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Okay, that's good. And in this time, let's select this cursor layer and drag and drop into the compensation. And press S, change scale. And move the anchor point here. Clickation tool and press R, change rotation. And move to down. Let's move to right here. Let's press P, create new passing keyframe, and go to 1 second and move to here. And select keyframes, make it easy, and go to middle and move to down. So go to pen tool, hold this icon, select convert vertex tool, and make smooth line. And select work area. Let's see. Okay, clickation tool, hold shift, press R, and go to here. Create rotation keyframe, change rotation like this. And next keyframe, let's change rotation and make it easy. Let's see. Okay, and let's select last rotation keyframe, change a little bit to left. And here, let's go to 1 keyframe, click new position keyframe and rotation keyframe, and go to 5 keyframes, change rotation. And let's move to up like this. And go to next keyframe, move to left and change rotation for click animation. Let's change rotation. And go to next 3 keyframes, change like this, and move to right. Okay, that's good. And we can move to left a little bit. Let's select work area and go to next keyframe, change rotation again for bounce animation. Okay, pretty good. And let's create new passing keyframe again. Go to 5 keyframes and move to down and change rotation. Okay, let's move to right these keyframes. Okay, so in this time we can use these keyframes. Let's select keyframes and move to here. And this open keyframes, let's move to left. Okay, and select this null. Let's hold shift, press S, and create scale keyframe. Got 3 keyframe, change scale 65, and this. Let's see. And go to next keyframes, select first keyframe, copy paste. And let's select keyframes, hold Alt, move to right for slow animation. Okay, let's select keyframes, move to left. Okay, so finally, let's go to window, open animation composite 3, and let's open starter presets, shape elements, and use particle fireworks. click Add, close window, and let's move to behind of layers, and let's timing. Okay, we can use here, change scale. Okay, let's Control D for duplicate and move to up, and press S, change scale 100, and move to here. Finally, we can animate these lines. Select these text 4, 3, 2, 1, go to solo and move to right. Let's go to window, open anchor point mover. Click this for move the anchor points left and close window. Let's unsolo and move to left. And let's press S, hold Alt, click time icon and write the expression wiggle 19 and select work area. Let's see. Okay, and let's select text 3, press S and add expression wiggle 36. Okay, and close scales, select 2, press S, hold Alt, click time icon, wiggle 39. Okay, and finally select text 1, press S, hold Alt, click time icon, wiggle 310. Nice. Let's unsolo layers and dock layer and select these text layers and move to left. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.